Alrighty. What's,
Yo,
what's up, guys?
Good morning, Nick.
Good morning. Good morning. Oh no, what are we watching here?
I'm looking at
Paying
the hourly gap on NQ.
I ain't look at the chart since yesterday. I did, just not. I was just watching Bitcoin die.
Yeah, dude, I should have had
Where?
another
What's
Kalshi
the
bet
low?
on. I should have bet fucking like,
Dude, imagine if
I
you bet
should
like
have,
60K.
dude. I know. I mean, I bet. I literally the one that I took was pretty aggressive. Because I had 3 days
Yeah.
for Bitcoin to hit it because I bet it. I placed the Kalshi bet for it to hit before the end of January.
Mm-hmm.
I should have like rolled over and added a different one for like the low of the year.
Yeah.
And the low of the year for like 60K would have been like a 10x, maybe more. Especially when price was at 90K. Probably would have been more than
Yeah. I
that.
mean, 100%. I don't know, but that's why you gotta trust the charts.
Wow, that's crazy. The low of Bitcoin was exactly 60K. Like, not even
Yeah.
a cent under or
For
over.
real?
Yeah.
All right. What are we watching here today? I
That's
mean,
insane.
gotta be looking for. Wait, which hour of the gap you said you're looking for?
NASDAQ's hourly gap that it created during London, the bullish gap.
Oh, you're looking for higher prices. Okay.
I mean, yo, if price wants to go lower, I'm full blown. I'm ready to do it. But
Yeah.
I want to see if like what equities open does. If equities open, let's say if we manipulate higher,
Mm-hmm.
then I'll look for shorts. If we drop lower, tag the gap, we set in a wick, I'm going long.
Yeah. I do think there's something to be said about this daily low from November 21st still staying intact. You know what I mean? Like,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Oh yeah, for sure. I was looking at the
I
daily
think that
time
still
frame
gets pretty
actually,
thin.
bro. Like those relative equal lows, there's like if price is gonna like reach down to that point, I feel like we gotta at least it being Friday,
mm-hmm.
retrace back into the range, daily volume imbalance, daily bearish fair value gap. Like if we're gonna continue and trade lower, I feel like it would be cool to see us at least reach the daily volume imbalance.
Yeah, that's what I thought. 'Cause just looking at like the M15, them London and Asia highs from yesterday do look pretty smooth, and that's also a daily bearish gap. It makes sense for TGI have set up, but then equally, I could very easily see us just dump and take them lows today. It's just kind of a matter of if and when.
I just got an ad on Snapchat, and the ad's name on Snap was Throat Goat, and I just get a Venmo of $1 saying "add back on Snap" from Bad.
34 seconds until market open, Matt.
Should I be concerned?
Yeah, probably.
I think what I'm going to watch for is this 4 hour gap. I want to see price trade up into that. Um, I want to reach for here. Honestly, if we had ran this low
What the?
yesterday or this morning, I probably wouldn't be looking for trading today. But um, I'm going to see what happens once we hit this box. I mean, this 4 hour gap.
Dow Jones is pumping like a motherfucker.
Yeah.
Dude, what is happening?
Yeah, I thought look at RTY and Dow Longs. We had the SMT into the hourly gap. That was kind of like my top watch. I just kind of completely forgot to say. I was speaking to my boy before stream.
Let's see. You see ICT yesterday? He was talking about he's at Bitcoin hit 62. I was like, bro, congrats, bro. You're $62,000 away from your price target. He thinks he's going to freaking zero. I'm like, please do that.
Dude, ICT will call out price and be like NQ will be at like 24,800, and then he'll be like sell side 24,750 or 780.
Yeah.
All right, we just got the hourly gap tag on NQ.
Okay. Yeah. I'm gonna mark that off too, just to kind of see if Price wants to sort of do some BS around here, like bouncing between two levels.
YM is doing the meme coin shit. What is going on? Do you
You're
hear
getting
that?
trolled. Yeah.
I just got paid 3 times.
Is
Don't tell
that
me these are public.
4 hour FEG? No, you have to draw this. You just draw
Holy
it out.
shit. Dude, why is this is happening at the worst time?
You can dip out if you want, and then just come back.
No, I'm not dipping out. I'm not dipping out.
It's alright, bro. It's
We just
fine.
got the most aggressive pop from that hourly gap here. Now,
I mean,
SMT here. I mean, this is gonna create a 5 minute breaker.
Yeah.
I think if you're gonna go long, I'd wait for the 4 hour to see if it gets inversed. If the 4 hour FEG gets inversed, you still have all those relative equal highs above you to target.
5 minutes. This is pretty quick.
Yeah.
This is pretty quick. Damn, yo, we might just fucking rip right to the high without even waiting for anything. Holy shit. I would at least want to wait for a 5 minute gap to be left behind aligned with the breaker. Everything's moving exactly how we want it to. I want to see a 5 minute gap left behind on NQ here for a breaker confirmation.
Yeah.
If you want to take the breaker here, you can, but I'm waiting for the 5 minute gap. Like you would
Bro,
be
that
technically
RTY print.
here. What?
Check the YM RTY hourly SMT print. Obviously, it's pre-market, but unless you printed the M5 market make a buy model off it.
My God.
Disgusting. M5 was clean as well. There's a breaker and order blocker.
If you want to take NQ long right now, you can.
Yeah, I like that.
Got the M5 breaker.
Why is this happening right now? This better not be public. Thank God. Literally blocking this person.
I know, bro. Thanks. I will. Thanks, Ronnie. I'm gonna do that right now.
Target for NQ, looking at 24,960. This hourly swing high, and then the low end of that daily volume imbalance is 2562.5. But we're currently in this 5 minute bullish breaker block right here after that 5 minute candle close from 9:30. I wanted to see a 5 minute gap be left behind, and if there is a gap, then I'll just take it.
We're back in 6 seconds. Confused.
How'd you do?
But it's
What'd you go?
either
Two
going
for
to,
two this week, Matt?
huh?
You going 2 for 2 this week?
Yeah, on lives, 2 for 2, Tuesday, Wednesday. VM, you still can't hear me, bro? Something's got to be wrong with your computer or your speakers.
Let's go.
But I want to see expansion on NQ.
Yeah, I think I just gotta wait like till 10. I think I want a short and I
You
want a
want a
long,
short?
but like I can't long until I get like confirmation it wants to reject this 4 hour gap because I don't know. Plus it's Friday. Like Fridays are typically not my best days. And Fridays are usually not my best days after I had a good day on Thursday.
Did anybody take longs on NQ from the breaker? If you're in longs on NQ from the breaker, partial out at the high or reduce your risk to the 5 minute candle low here.
Matt, did you see this?
I did see that. That was fucking hilarious.
That's as bad as my giveaway one. Did you hear about that? I tell you about that.
No, dude, I'm not gonna lie. I just don't entertain stupidity.
Well,
And if
this
you
isn't
if you
even
say some
stupidity, Matt.
stupid shit,
Listen to
I
this.
block you.
I did a giveaway, and someone asked me, "Is like, hey, if I win, can you trade it?" I was like, "Bro, what? Like, how does that work?"
Dude, what is going on? My God.
Yeah, go join a signal service, bro. If I trade it, I'm gonna keep that. You know what I mean? You took longs. You were expecting it. Yeah. Thinking of shorts. Yeah, I feel like chat's kind of like both ways here. Like 4 hour gap could lean shorts. I'd probably lean longs if we had ran these lows right here. I don't feel. But given how far we're away from it, it makes me feel like it's gonna be hard for price to get down there today anyway. So maybe just the best thing to do is to trade long today. And we're past 50% of the range from the previous candle daily.
All right. Well, there's that 5 minute candle closure closed above the high. It's probably just gonna blast off and go right to 24,960. Let's see. Yes, has this.
Yeah. I agree on it. I think that's probably that low, Matt. It's probably gonna be something I'm gonna leave for next week.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Which is actually way better for us anyway.
Mm-hmm.
There's a good bit of draws up here for, I mean previous day high, right? I mean it's obvious.
Yeah.
It's the only thing that made sense today.
Yeah.
If we take out this high, reduce your risk.
Yeah. I'm looking at previous day high. I'm falling into the.
YM's
I'm getting.
Oh shit, you're right.
I'm accepting the peer pressure. It will be a strict cutoff for me at 11 o'clock, though. I'm not trying to give back any money unless it's on a good setup.
I think at least for me now, since I'm not in at the 5 minute breaker, I'm gonna see how the 15 minute candle closes in 3 minutes. And then if the 15-minute, let's say, uh, if it closes decent, then maybe I could take it from the 15-minute. But if you want to be even safer, then you wait for a 15-minute gap. 10 o'clock comes down, tags the 15-minute bullish for value gap, and then you frame the 10 o'clock open, low, high close. Dow Jones is like 20 points away.
Yeah. That's so clean.
Wait, you can't hear me either, Crack or Jack? That's so weird. Oh my god, that's really clean. You would have to be in early as shit though.
Yeah. The model was fire.
Let's see.
I might be tempted to take this 15-minute breaker on NQ.
15-minute.
Yeah.
Oh, why not ES? Oh yeah,
There's no
yeah. It's
there's
too high up. Yeah,
arbitration wouldn't be able to be a thing.
yeah.
If I was to take NASDAQ,
Uh-huh.
I wouldn't take this on a PA account though. I would take this on an evaluation.
Uh-huh. That's something. That's something too, right? That people can do. Like if you find that you don't trade good on Fridays, maybe just have like 5 or 6 fundeds or 5 evals that you trade on Fridays. You know, like
That's exactly what I'm doing right now.
yeah. You don't need to like put on full risk, especially after we caught trades Wednesday, Thursday. Like, why are you trying to like full court press on a Friday? You know what I mean? Like you're already
Yeah.
up 20 points. You know what I mean? Like in basketball terms.
Literally, I didn't even log into my
Dude, look
funders.
at this fucking candle on these fucking pairs, bro. ES is going crazy right now. Holy. This is nuts. All right, well, there's that 15-minute. If you guys are in from the 5, manage that position based off of the run from 24,960. Dude, the bearish SMT doesn't mean anything.
Yeah, I think we're on a pump.
But news will also determine that.
There is news at 10 o'clock. You know what? I didn't even realize until someone commented yesterday. We had news at 10 o'clock yesterday, and like we entered
Dude,
at like
news don't do,
9:59.
news don't do anything anymore.
Huh? What do
But
you
so
say?
far, how we're moving is exactly what we wanted. Hourly gap, SMT, 5-minute. The change in the save delivery was just mad quick. It's not really like what I'm a big fan of. But left behind gap, retag the breaker.
All right. I mean, I can put it up here for you guys. Like, It's pumping like crazy.
15-minute gap.
It did run previous day high, like Matt said.
Right, I
Nothing's
finished my steak and eggs and back. You could also watch the M15 on the RTY because we just made relative equals of previous day high. So if we get an M15 gap, that could be pretty clean as well.
Yeah.
Uh-oh, just pop up and take it.
I don't think today's the day for me to trade YM personally, since it's already ran previous day high. 15-minute on NQ and ES. Yeah, I think the 15-minute's gonna be what I'm gonna trade today. Let's see here. What's bonds doing? Let's all. Okay.
Matt, do you get like a crazy craving for nicotine after eating, or is it just me?
Absolutely, dude. Every single meal that I finish, I deserve a treat, and that treat is a Zin. That is literally my dessert. I like look forward to finishing my meals so that I can crave a Zin.
Yeah, I was in Target
Seriously got a
yesterday,
problem.
and we were like waiting on the pickup order. My boy, like, he's like, "Oh, Matt just popped up on my TikTok." I was like, "Yeah, just go through his page," and he was like, "What's he doing?" Like, and then,
I do anything and everything, bro. There's like literally my TikTok is the most rogue shit ever.
yeah, this is what I'm looking for right here, guys. Price to continue higher. If I don't get this, no trade. Is what it is.
Zin maxing.
Yeah. This is what we got here. Yeah, I'm waiting for a 15-minute gap to form, and then I'm gonna look for price to trade into it. I guess I'm late in terms of longs. We could have caught longs down here. I mean, let's check the. I don't know. I look at the 1 minute. It was a little quick, but my problem was it was a 4-hour fair value gap above us, and then we had this daily low down here. It's kind of made me a little sus. But once price kind of got up here where it's at now, I'm just like, okay, it's bullish. You know, we had 3 consecutive red days. You know, it's about time we come back into the range a little bit. So.
If we could hold and not take out that high before 10 o'clock, that would be great.
Yeah. Did you hear what I said yesterday? We had 10 a.m. news right when we entered our trade. I didn't even realize it.
Oh, yeah.
Did you know that?
Yeah,
Oh, really?
I, I knew we had 10 a.m. news, but I literally completely forgot and didn't even notice the release.
Yeah, like I was
Yeah,
just
I
trading,
genuinely
bro.
didn't
Like I was
care.
just kind of locked in. It's just
Price did everything that it wanted to do. The news was just our driver that helped us go down to our draw.
yeah.
Like, no way in hell I would have been like, oh, there's news. I can't take the trade.
Yeah,
No.
no, it was too good of a setup. It was way too good of a setup. You got 3 million in funding, but it's like $1,000.
There's previous day high on R2Y. Bro, that setup was so clean. I just wish it was at the open.
I'm kind of kicking myself for not taking the breaker. I'm not going to lie. If you're in the NASDAQ longs partial here, move your stop to the breaker for your entry.
YouTube, type 1 in the chat if you guys have enjoyed the streams this week. Make sure to like the stream. We'll be back here next week. Just gotta get the schedule together. By the way, the people that won the funded next accounts, I'll send those out later today. I usually like to do those like on Fridays, so they'll probably get to you by this weekend sometime. And who knows? We may even do a giveaway today. Who knows?
Jack's cooking. Good shit, bro. Yeah, Jack, you're on fire at the moment, bro.
Matt, did you ever meet this Riley kid Dodgy hangs out with? He's probably eating some sourdough.
No, my bad. I was muted. What did you say?
Did you ever meet this Riley kid Matt Dodgy hangs out with?
Riley Botha? No, I never met Riley. He just bought a Lambo though.
Yeah, I saw that. I thought he was like an econ kid, bro. I had no idea.
And
Let's see. No, no, that's Gabe, the other kid. But that's a funny ass video. Not gonna lie, it's a funny ass video. Which breaker is Matt referring to at the open? He's probably referring to this one here from 6:45 a.m. Or maybe he's talking about YM.
8:15 or 8:20
yeah,
on
8:15.
the 5.
Yeah. This one right here.
But yeah, I think right now, since we just ran that external high on the NASDAQ, I'm going to see in the next 5-6 minutes if we can kind of hold off before pumping aggressively, trade into the 15-minute gap, and then we could do something from there.
Yeah, I think if you're already long right now, I think a very, very good stop loss in case we want to expand today off of a huge sell off is stop at 9 a.m. low. I don't think price is going below that today. I could be wrong.
Brother, I went to EDC with Dodgy in Orlando in November. It was November 6th. And he started taking Retta, GHKCU, BPC 157, and then I think he just started taking like Tessa Moreland and other shit. But the main thing that was so different that I just noticed about him was the fact that he dyed his eyebrows. Him dyeing his eyebrows was literally like probably the biggest thing.
Bro, this is who he looks like.
Because you look at the picture that I posted with him, I like look at him, I'm like, dude, this kid literally has no eyebrows. Oh, RT, I know everything under the sun about it.
Loki wish I could get out here.
He low key looks like Archie from
probably
Riverdale,
can.
bro.
From what?
Oh shit.
Archie?
Yeah. Here, I'll post it in chat. Like with the eyebrows, just look at the eyebrows. Like how it's.
Oh shit, yeah, she does.
Don't fucking send that to him. That's gonna make me mad.
Does that make you mad?
Yes, because he does Mog now. I can't lie.
That was an old show. Okay, let's see if we get this 15-minute gap. Who's calling me?
If we don't get this 15-minute gap and we start turning here, then price could easily flip from the 4-hour.
Yeah, like that would be a
Yeah.
good sign. Like if you're 50-50 on bullish today or bullish or bearish, if we don't leave a 15-minute fair value gap here to get long from, you could be looking to take shorts from this 4-hour gap because we're kind of bouncing between two areas right now. So
It could even be like if we don't get let's say we get a 15-minute gap, but then we inverse that 15-minute gap as well. That could be also play. Like I'll just be watching to see if the gap is created, if we respect it, the 1 minute makes a market maker buy model, we long from it, or if we bleed through it, then we just take short.
Yeah.
Yo, that picture's funny as fuck.
Oh my god, forgot about that thing.
What just happened to
That's funny. The Casper one.
Why did I just look away and all my fucking candles went up?
You
Are you
get
guys
nerfed
seeing it?
again.
Are you guys seeing this?
Um,
My screen?
Oh what?
Why is it only on the 15-minute time frame? What just happened?
You're actually getting nerfed. Wait, it's on mine as well. On the M15.
Are you serious? I literally looked away for
Yeah,
half a second. Why is this happening?
oh, it's
yeah, it's
not.
on
Are you
mine.
on NQ or MNQ?
I'm on NQ. I'm trying to watch the 15.
I don't have it on mine now. What it?
Yeah, look, I got the same thing.
Oh yeah, it's weird. Huh?
What the fuck is going on? Is it on yours too, Nick?
Nah.
What?
I looked on MNQ and NQ. Um,
What the fuck? I guess I'll. Wow. It just glitched so hard. Dude, YM literally went berserk.
Yeah, crazy.
let's see.
Wait, now it was on. Now it's on my 30-minute.
Check mine. Yes, on my 30-minute as well now. I just checked a
What
minute
is
ago. It
going
wasn't
on?
there.
Who is attacking me?
Probably that person
Yeah,
sitting
I'm the
behind
hourly
you.
map. And 2
And
hour, 4 hour. Some sort
not
of
the
time frames
hourly
now.
for me. The hourly's fine for me.
Someone just said to refresh your
Yeah.
like close your charts out.
Here, I'll just do this. Maybe I'll load like a new one.
Yeah, Dodgy heard you shit talking about his peptides.
It didn't do anything.
Yeah, mine's on the 2 hour, 4 hour, 1 hour, 90-minute, 30-minute, and 15.
It's on every time frame now, besides the
Yeah.
5.
Yes. No, even on the 5 map, go back to like scroll back a bit. It's on mine.
I'm okay now. On 5.
So like Tuesday, 3rd of Feb.
All right.
All right, 15-minute gap is put in.
Go full
Gold.
screen.
So gold is consolidating just like I thought it would. Like we're in between a daily BISI and a daily SIBI, and that's why the hourly charts are
It's
going
further
like
back
this.
from that map.
Just bouncing between areas. I think it goes higher though.
Is it on the 1? Yeah, it's on everything above.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I
look,
mean, there's
this
some
is my
people in my
M5
YouTube
now.
chat saying it's like that too.
All right, we have 15-minute gap on NQ here. Let's see what happens. Are we gonna respect this or not? That was news also, by the way. News didn't do absolutely anything. So
I
weird.
think to get long from this M15 gap, I'd need this M5 candle to print and then inverse the M5 gap.
Yep.
But I've got a feeling it's going to flip here.
If it flips, then I'll take short if we close below 9:30 candle open
Yeah.
Yeah.
and inverse this gap
Yeah.
at the same time. Take this short. Fucking hell, these candles are so big, bro. Pause.
All right, so we got some setups potentially forming here. 15-minute gap. While we wait, let's get those likes up. Maybe we'll do a giveaway. Maybe a Tradeify giveaway. What y'all think? Let's see. If I short NQ, what would be the target? That's a good question. I think it depends where we get short from. Like if we get short from this like breaker slash inverse, I think you gotta target down to like the London low. I think London low would be good.
I think it'd just be like a fixed 2 RR and then just reduce risk once we tag the 4 hour gap.
That's literally it. It's just fixed 2R. And if we're going long, then I would need price to inverse this 5-minute gap that it's about to form here. So it's either one of two things. It's either we trade lower, confirm the order block, go short, or we inverse this 5-minute gap here and we trade from here, inverse, and then go long.
Yeah. NQ's selling, bro. Oh, my charts do look like that, by the way.
I'm just staying on the 5.
I think you could target down to. So if you target down to the London low, almost or close to the London low, that's like by the fair value gap. So that wouldn't be a bad spot to. I think if it gets to the bottom of the fair value gap here, you should be like break even or something.
Fucking hell, bro. Even my 4-hour time frame is chopped.
Let's see here.
All right, I'm watching this shit.
Kind of like. I mean, this inversion right here to the downside's gotta be. I mean, this fair value gap that we're trading into on the 5-minute map. This is, and Kieran, I think this is like the last line of support for longs. Don't you agree? Like,
Yeah,
sure.
if it loses
100%.
that, it's freaking wraps.
Yeah. Like we do
However,
have that
ES
4 hour.
is substantially stronger. Like it's still inside of its gap.
I would need it to close below the 9:30 candle.
The 9:30 candle. Yeah, I'd kind of be like the setup we had yesterday.
Exactly.
Right below.
Yeah. We just respected the 5-minute gap on
Thank you.
NASDAQ, so let's wait and see. If we trade higher from here, then we'll obviously readjust and take something if we inverse this 5-minute gap here.
That's 907 to inverse that gap. Yeah. I kind of like that. Oh yeah, 220 people. Awesome, good stuff, guys.
All right. I would love for this 5-minute candle to flip.
Like, dude, it's crazy. Like, just the previous 5-minute candle was a 100-point stop loss on NQ.
I know, dude. My stop loss is literally set in at 96 points.
I think we got to target London low.
I'm looking at 24,562. It's like literally just below 1 to 2 risk to reward. This is looking good so far, though.
I don't even know where London low is. I'm missing the candles.
It's 492.
492. Sweet.
2 more minutes. His candle closes.
All right, nice. This is looking pretty good.
Use M&Q. Oh yeah, that's working big.
Are you gonna take the short if we just inverse the gap?
I don't. I'm going pretty light on this trade, by the way. Like Wednesday, Thursday is pretty good. So like,
We just tagged the 5-minute gap on ES.
yeah.
To be fair, I'm not even still not logged into my account, so I can't be asked.
Because I'll be honest with you guys in chat, I suck at trading Fridays, so like I'm not even gonna get too butthurt here if I get stopped out.
It's gotta close below the order block.
Yeah, here. Here, I
Let's
will
see.
pin this message.
You could do this. Like if you want to wait for the 15-minute to get inversed. For me, in order to take this on the 5, it has to close below the 9:30 candle open. Has to. Chris, it really depends. Like if it closes like right there, I'll just probably mark it sell.
Closes below the breaker or what?
Below the opening price of the 9:30 candle.
Oh yeah. It looks like it's starting to flip a little bit. Got 40 seconds to candle closure at 10:10. The 15-minute is we're still sort of trading inside the gap on the NQ. So this next candle in 5 minutes is gonna be a tell for sure. Oh dang. Yeah, that's weird. I'll look into it. Just drop me your Discord username.
What did you do?
I think we're about to. We just inverse the 5-minute gap on NQ. Just there.
Honestly, I don't think that's enough for me to short. I think I'd like
It's
it below
not.
that. Yeah.
It's
No.
definitely not enough.
Need that M15 order block.
Especially with the 15-minute candle
'Cause-
closing here in 4 minutes, like, better off to just wait. And plus, ES is so strong. You know
Yeah.
what I mean? Like, could just.
Yeah,
And the Dow Jones too. Dow Jones is still ripping.
yeah. Dow Jones is like ripping to all-time highs.
It's like literally not stopping.
Like we could easily just have YM leading the pack, and then NQ just chops in this range. We've made that open.
The 15-minute close will make it clear. Yeah.
I have no problem taking long on
Yeah, me
NQ
either.
if it gives me the 5-minute inverse.
Yeah, me either. Like, I have a draw for both London low for shorts and previous day high for longs, and I don't even need either of those to get hit in order to make some money. It's just a target.
RQY's pumping off
If
that
we
M15 gap as
inverse
well.
on
With S&P.
NQ, you just slap long. I think.
Taking this way for now. And this.
Yeah, I don't have an entry model on the lower time frame. It's just the 5 minute.
Yeah, AJB, I'd have needed the order block like there. I wouldn't want it to take like another like 2 or 3 candles because it'd just be too late. I want to see it reverse quick. You want to see this manipulation. Like if this pump at open was manipulation, you want to see it inverse quick.
Yeah. Honestly, too, guys, this is how you stay out of like chop and over trading. Is if you got like a 15-minute fair value gap here that's bullish, and then a bearish one above you. Pay attention to which side is winning. If neither side is winning, you're probably trading a bunch of shit, and you're probably gonna get
Yeah.
like stopped out. Like, so just wait. There's nothing wrong because as of right now, we are 300 points from previous day high. I can promise you can find another trade if you just wait. Yeah.
All right, we got smacked from that 5-minute gap.
Okay.
Yeah.
We did.
I'm watching the M15 now.
Like
People are
this,
probably like, dude, you keep flipping long and short, long and short. It's like, bro, it's
So
well,
happens when you trade Nasdaq.
we were stuck. Yeah, we were stuck between
yeah.
our bullish deciding factor and our bearish one. That's literally what we're currently battling.
Yeah.
And I
Matt,
will
you ready for
drag
a
this.
Scottsdale golf trip, bro?
Yeah, dude, I'm gonna be so bad. I haven't golfed in
Who
so
cares,
long.
bro? If I shoot a
Oh, I don't
freaking
care. I don't care at all.
yeah.
It's still gonna be tough. All right, 1 minute. 1 minute.
Yeah, yeah. Ivan said it best. It's playing ping pong between the gaps. As of right now, there's no trade. Like if you haven't taken anything, you have not missed out on a damn thing.
So close. I literally have my finger on the trigger.
20 seconds.
Do it. 9, 7,
There's
6.
ready flag up.
Come on. It's right there. 4.
No.
4. Damn it.
I don't think I closed either. Excuse me.
Well, there's an SMT now at that 5-minute gap tag at these 5-minute candle highs, so that's even better for our stop loss.
Yeah.
Why do I feel like this candle right now is gonna melt? No,
Typically,
we're not.
that happens when we get edged like that. So
I think at that point I just shut the charts off and just go do something with my life.
Yeah.
We inverse the 15. We did inverse the 15. That's a good point.
oh, we did. Word. You could probably take short right now if you wanted to.
You could. I'm gonna wait for the candle close below the breaker.
Yeah.
You could probably take short right now. Like, yeah. Like,
You
could
want to go short right
now.
now? I'll probably go stop somewhere like right here.
Like right now.
Target down this low.
Put your stop at the 5-minute candle high that has SMT.
Yeah, I mean. So, yeah. So like, dang, bro.
But
I was looking at the contracts. Since I have a 115-point stop, you can only afford 2 micros.
dude, I literally can't go above. I can't go above this. I literally
Mm-hmm.
have to keep my stop at a 96 point stop. That's why I want this order block so my stop loss makes sense.
Yeah.
Let me mark off the 15-minute IFEG. Just tagged it here.
Yeah, so we're trading back up into that 15-minute IFEG at the moment. I want to close below the breaker because that would just be give me two confirmations. And I usually don't want I don't need two confirmations, but the fact that it's kind of playing ping pong between here, it's kind of sketch to me. And plus, ES is relatively stronger.
The fact that YM didn't take all-time highs yet is sus for shorts. Yeah, probably. Hold on. If we're gonna get our shorts, we have to drop from this point on this 5 minute this 15-minute IFEG.
Yeah. No. Kind of like. Dang. I don't know. I don't even really know what I like right now. I think the market's just
I
kind of
don't like
telling me this.
anything.
It's,
I mean,
I wouldn't want to long now because we
I,
got relative equal lows without taking a 4 hour gap. Like it'd have had to
I just can't take my eyes off
give
ES.
it.
Like 15-minute. Like it just doesn't look bearish at all.
Yeah,
I
ES looks
literally
way better.
I will only be bullish if we inverse this 5 minute bearish gap on NQ. That's like the only way.
Yeah.
I had two situations laid out, and it was the short from the order block or the long from the IFEG on the 5 on NQ.
Maybe the 13-minute closure. Half risk. Yeah, I mean half risk isn't bad. I mean like you're still getting, especially if you get like a 2 or 3 4 hour setup. You know, like half risk can end up paying like the same as like a normal risk, right? Um, I'm sore.
I think we might inverse this 5 minutes.
I can't lie, I just see chop.
Yeah, no, it's extremely chop. It's stuck between my bull and bear idea.
Yeah.
Ooh,
I think I'm gonna give away like a Tradeify account. By the way, they are having 40% off the 150K select accounts at the moment. So I think those are like barely, those are like under $200, and they have like the daily payouts. So, all right, so we're
But I
starting to
got
displace
paid out
higher
for one of
here.
the select cuts. I got paid out from one of them select accounts in November, and I still haven't got my payout because it's been bouncing between Wise and my bank account.
That's fucking annoying.
So they wanted me to submit some sort of bank statement. Did that? They got denied. Then they wanted some sort of contract or like tax return, which I couldn't even provide because I haven't done a tax return this year through my business. And they were and then Rise wouldn't let me send my payment, like the international payment, to my main bank account for some reason.
That's weird as fuck.
So no, I got another bank to try, but I've been on chat with Wise like all day today. So I went, so I sent it from Rise to Wise, and it went through fine. And then I tried sending it to my bank account, and they were like, "Oh, it's going to take up to 2 days." And then they said, "Oh, your payment's been paused because we need this information," and it's basically information that I literally can't even give.
Wow.
So
I'm looking at this 5 minute, I guess, right now on NQ. But my issue is, I mean, if we're not gonna trade lower here, I'm really not a fan of this, if I'm being completely honest with you.
I
Because
kind of like it. I mean,
I just
I
have
mean,
no, like, my stop loss placement makes no sense. I'm like just guessing where price won't go to.
yeah.
Like that's like my biggest thing. If my stop loss placement makes no sense, then I can't bring myself to do the trade. I hope that we die here. I hope that we get fucking killed. Come on,
I just
How long are you
die,
looking?
to be honest, I think
die,
it's
die,
literally just going to
die.
this range.
I'm not in longs. I'm kind of looking at both sides. I think with Matt too, because we have draws. We have London low for shorts and
Die, die,
previous day
die,
high for
die.
longs. But we can't get any confirmation price. Just playing ping pong in between these levels. So we don't have anything to work with.
I will say that if price inverse if we inverse that 5 minute gap, I would have faded the day.
EOS looking so much better. Yeah.
Come on, die, 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 die.
What trade? I use Tradecopia. I think I have a link in the description. You can try it out for like 7 days for free. You can group up all your funded accounts. You can do anything you want. You can change the risk on different ones. It's so much more smooth.
You sent me a DM. You have an inquiry.
Inquiry.
That was very professional.
Still playing ping pong, guys. For 2 minutes. Yeah, it allows TradingView to be the lead account. Yeah, you can do that. Just make sure the smallest account you have is the leader. It makes it easier to multiply your risk. Because you can only do like 1, 2, 3, and 4. So if the highest account is like a 150 and then you try to copy to 50Ks, you can't do like a quarter. It'd just be weird. Like you can't type in 0.5. Or at least if they changed it recently. I like it though. I used Replicanto for the longest time, but it's just so much better.
This is disgusting.
I don't like how I keep flipping back and forth, Matt. Like, oh, if it
No.
does this, I'll short, and then oh, it looks like it's gonna do it, and then like it flips long. You know what I mean? Makes me sound like an idiot on stream.
No, this is horrible. There's no way I'm taking anything. It's literally just chill.
Yeah.
It doesn't make you sound like an idiot. It's just price being price.
Yeah, exactly. Like you're calling price. You're literally calling exactly
Can't.
what
There's
price is
nothing
doing.
about. How strong? 6 milli vanillis.
Mine at 10.9. Bro, I don't get them people that have like 50 milligram ones.
Dude, oh my God. Over the fucking summer when I was out at the bars in Jersey Shore, literally, or no, sorry, not that. I was at my boy's girl's house, and um, his girl has a brother who's like 17, and he's there like with all of his friends.
Yeah.
And he's like, anybody got like is anyone got a pouch on them? And I'm like, yeah, like it's 6 milligram though. Like I
Oh
don't know if you
God, I
could,
know where this
I
is
don't know
going.
if you could do that. And then he goes, hold that thought. Walks away, goes to his car, pulls this fucking black tin out, and it said Zeus on it. Guess how many fucking milligrams are in that thing?
18.
No.
No, it'll be more than that. It'll be like
It was fucking
like
like
70.
30.
It's crazy.
So yeah. Yeah, we've got them
30
like over in the
milligrams,
UK.
bro. I tried one. I tried one. I'm not even kidding when I tell you this. It felt like I took a bottle of Casamigos to the face. Like I literally looked like Stephen Hawking's.
Yeah.
I had to sit down. I couldn't see. I was completely immobilized.
I can just see this because I've seen it so many times in person.
It was a disaster. It was a disaster.
But someone in my chat said I once did 120 milligrams of snus in school and I fell asleep in class. I-
I'm not surprised. I remember the first time I did the SNES, I was in my boy's car on the way to like some shopping centre. It was like an hour away. I literally took it. 10 minutes later, I go like white in the face and I had my head hanging out the window the whole way there.
That's insane, dude.
Couldn't
Someone
even
said they
walk.
had 150 milligrams. That's crazy.
Well,
I might make an Instagram and just do pouch reviews. That's a good dude. They just released an espresso martini one, um a spicy cider. Those are the two flavors that are actually really good. Espresso martini was gas.
Matt, honestly, we need to go to Sweden. When I went there, bro, it's oh my god, it's actually insane. I'm gonna send you this shot,
I'm down.
bro. It's so sick.
I've never had mojito. Mojito sounds fucking good.
That's on my Snapchat, I think.
So Dodgy is on the 10th trade today. I don't know.
no
Is
way.
Dodgy live on TikTok?
He's. What is he doing, bro?
I mean, it's chopping. You're gonna get an inverse gap every 10 seconds.
What does the 1 minute look like? We're still within that 5 minute gap. Damn, this looks great. Yeah, he probably longed right here. He probably went break even
Yeah.
at that 1 minute candle high.
Yeah.
He probably did this too. I get this here. Ready? I'm gonna mimic this perfectly.
Yeah, do it.
Ready? So he long. So all right. So like I understand liquidity, guys. So like here, he longed this right there. Long that, probably stopped right here. And then he said break even at this high here. And then he got stopped break even right there. Boom. Then I'm assuming he longed this here. Longed right that. Longed there. Stop here. Break even. Probably this 1 minute. So I'm assuming he's long right now.
Yeah. Well, he says the market only goes up, so I assume he's long. He told me one time he feels bad when he shorts. Like, whatever. Yeah, you
I
guys
wonder how
see how
accurate.
like price is kind of not doing much in between these. Like, think of it as like two magnets. If I can find the freaking magnet.
Still love
Matt, check
Dodgy
your
though.
WhatsApp. I've just given you 2 reasons to go to Sweden. I'm not even going to say anything. Just watch it.
You showed me this.
What one did I show
Oh my
you?
God, I've never seen that.
Yeah,
Holy
bro. It's
shit.
like
Oh yeah, you showed me that one, I think. That's funny as hell.
so. What more? What more could you want?
That's fire. Damn, this is like really nasty price delivery.
Yeah, it's pretty bad. That's why candle closures are so important. Like I think someone in my chat like was shorting when we I think it was like something to do with the 15 minute. Like I was waiting for that breaker, you know what I mean? Like the fact they just wicked down and went up, I'm like, that's just not enough for me. I've seen it so many times. And what did I say like earlier? I said I suck on Fridays. Like if you saw my trades on Fridays or you'd be like, dude, like I'll never watch this guy's streams again. I just suck on Fridays. I don't know what it is.
Yeah, to be honest, I'd say probably about 40 to 50% of my losing trades are on Fridays.
Well, Fridays are just typically the weekly objective or the expansion of the weekly candle will already be reached by Thursday, like
Yeah,
99% of the time. Friday will either be a retracement back into the range as a TGIF, or Friday will only be good if we have yet to take out a key level, external high or low, or a internal range liquidity pool in a higher time frame, whatever it
yeah.
might be.
Yeah.
Or it's just going to chop kind of like what we're seeing today. So then we can create a daily range to purge on Monday to create higher weeks, then target them relative equal lows.
I mean,
I mean, I'm assuming we're going to inverse, but I'm not going to do anything.
No, I mean, either. I'm just looking on the lower time frame. We've got relative equal lows. We're kind of just trading in a trend line. I think we could easily just soup this high, come back down, tag the 4 hour gap, come back up, soup that high. It just looks like seek and destroy to me.
yeah.
And it's already 25 to 11 on a Friday. Like,
Yeah. I would have considered this if like there was like a relevant SMT on the 15-minute time frame between like NQ and ES or like NC, anything like that would validate a stop loss that makes sense with the risk to reward. For me to take the IFEG to then target here. But like I'm sorry, I'm not like let's say if the Nasdaq swept out this low here or something like that, maybe that would be different. But even then, the stop
yeah,
loss would be massive, and then price would like the risk to reward from this IFEG to here would be ridiculous.
yeah. If we had SMT at that low, tagging the 4 hour gap, I'd be all game. But
I'm
it's
actually
just
gonna
doesn't
put a
make
limit
sense.
here for like I'm going 2 micros on a IFEG long just for the odds. My stop is at the 1025 low. Like I say, I'm super light on this trade, but I'm watching ES is what I'm, and I just see open low, high close. I think it should at least reach to that 7 a.m. high from yesterday on the hourly chart. And if I look at the 4 hour, it's the same sort of thing. Who knows? Like I don't care about this $300. Like if it works out, it works out. If not, it's just taking it for the data. I guess you could say. Did I like just not get stopped out? I don't love the setup. I'll be honest with you guys, but all right, I'm tagged in here. Only risking what I can afford to lose.
Nick, where's your stop?
825. Yeah. And I'll be honest with you guys, if we get like this candle right here, like slams down within the next 3 minutes, I'll just close it. Like I'm not. I'm playing with profits today. I'm not trying to hit a home run. Like I feel like this if I were to relate this week to baseball terms, like I had like a 7-run eighth inning, and I'm just trying to like just end the game. You know what I mean? Maybe get one more run in the ninth. I'm already up like 9 runs. Like who cares?
Apex 80% off
Yeah, that's
with
really something for
$50
CPI.
resets.
Yep.
What are the
Why would
PAs?
you reset for $50? We can buy a new account for less.
I don't
Then
know.
we'll just
People are
see.
Yeah, PA fees are 75. Yeah.
Yeah.
So if you bought those ones
$75
from earlier
PA
this week or
fees.
last week from the 90% off sale, the PA fee is still the same. Um, so if we pass it next week, when's the sale end? Because we got CPI next week, and we'll do the one shot, one kill, February 18th. So yeah, we got plenty of time.
Yeah, Dylan, 80% off sale on Apex is just their normal price. And
Yeah,
then the 90% off is the actual
Literally,
sale.
yeah, yeah.
literally,
That is the fact. If you are buying at anything when there's no 80% off, you are a certified moron.
literally. Unless it's literally like 70% off the day before CPI.
Mm-hmm.
That's like the furthest you can stretch.
I also don't like how this isn't moving really. It's been 5 minutes.
Nick, did you see that silver tagged that monthly gap of S&T?
The what?
Silver tagged that monthly gap of
Oh,
S&T.
did it?
Yeah, so I'm kind of looking to see if we can close off that daily order block slash breaker. I just got a feeling we might be due for some chop, though. That's the only problem I have.
Honestly, if we get here on NQ to this high, this 950 high, I may just go break even because it's already 1040 and we really haven't had that much expansion. Like it's just been up, down, and up again. Like who's to say
Yeah.
it's not gonna go lower?
I think my day is, I call my day at 10:45.
I might do the same honestly and just close out. Like this is a trade I don't really care that much about, but if it runs, I'll make a little bit. I'll make a extra 2R in the week or something. I got stopped out after shorting NQ after into the 15-minute FEG. That wasn't the worst trade, but for me, I didn't like how strong ES was at the same time. Like it wasn't even showing any sort of weakness.
Yeah. It just
I
kind of
don't
whipped
know.
into that M5 gap.
Maybe I was picky. And a lot of times too, Charlie. I think it's Charlie. Like if that's your model, take it every single time. Like the odds are gonna play out. Good, not do it in cricket terms. Shoot. Matt, who's your bet this weekend? Siwoo Cam?
Um, Wait, for what? The waste management?
Uh-huh.
What bet?
Who?
What bet are you talking about? I have multiple.
Oh, for the golf tournament?
Yeah, golf tournament or
Oh.
the Super Bowl?
I think you said like who you projected to win, right? Was it Siwoo Kim?
Oh no, it was Min Woo Lee, but that's gonna lose.
Oh. What's he at? Let me check.
And I also took something already for the Super Bowl.
Well, he's tied for 58th. I mean, Scotty's not very good. Trade Copia. Trade Copia. I'll put it in the chat again.
I got even odds for Patriots plus 5.5.
Oh, yeah. What's your bets for this weekend for the Super Bowl?
Yeah, so Patriots plus 5.5 straight. Then I might bet purple Gatorade
Oh, I
for
forget
the
about it.
color.
Yeah.
I'm going to slam and take heads on the coin toss. I want to bet the national anthem.
So
And
nothing to do with
then
football.
I do have a bet also that Elon Musk will be at the game. And then I need to configure my first touchdown.
Good point. Someone in
Ooh,
chat
I
said
do like
ES took
Cooper
the
Cup
high.
anytime.
Yeah, hold on. Let me get right back because I have questions to ask you, Matt. ES took the high. That don't really matter to me a whole lot because InQ is the one I'm in. But, I mean, you could move stop up a little bit. I'm going to see how we close in the next 2 minutes. So what I heard national anthem. What do you have after that?
Um, I want to take the I said Elon Musk being at the game.
Mm-hmm.
That's really Cooper Cup anytime. That's a great bet.
Yeah.
And then JSN's good too. I need to figure out my first touchdown. And I need to take one from the Patriots and one from the Seahawks.
What about Jack? Yeah, Jackson Smith and Jake got.
JSN is minus 110 anytime. Anyone for a first touchdown, I will never take if it's below 1,000 odds.
Yeah, that doesn't sound very good.
Like I'm thinking like Kayshawn Boot or like fucking
Stevens or something. Well, he's probably pretty
yeah, but
high.
he's plus 750. That's
Yeah,
no
that's not what.
value. I
Yeah.
need like plus 1,600 to like plus 2,000 at minimum. Maybe like a sneaky one, Mac Hollins.
Mm-hmm.
I'll never forget the game where I had Rashid Shaheed first touchdown and he ran it in from the first play of the fucking game on the punt return. Take care, bro. Have a good day, man.
Yeah, have a good one.
Yeah, no, Dylan, I'm using Kalshi, bro. If I see Elon on the screen, I will go berserk.
I'm gonna set my
I got
alerts
him at like
here
a
at
5x odds.
this 950 high. If we hit this 950 high at 24,984, I'm gonna go break even. Mm. While we wait, let's do a little good luck here. G create. We'll do 5 minutes. Y'all do that. Do a little good luck. Maybe do a giveaway at the same time. Complete. Remember, if we hit this high, I'm going break even.
Yeah, I have it marked off for you. Dylan, it's like you could deposit through anything. You could deposit through if you do cow sheet, let me refer you. Use my referral code. I want to get a cow sheet deal. So I can support my degeneracy. Nick, is your full TP 2569?
25069.
Yeah.
Um,
It's 1 to 2.
057 is what I'm looking at, I believe.
Okay.
Yeah, 056, which is the hourly candle from yesterday at 7 a.m.
Okay, word.
YM just swept all-time highs. That may have just spawned a trade candle, my bad.
I did just spawn a little Drake candle. Uh,
By the way, guys, it's just a one. If you type it once, you're entered. Like you don't need to type it more than one time.
I'm going BEL, thanks. Yeah, there is an SMT.
Crazy, I didn't even realize YM was so close to all-time high.
Yep, we just pierced it.
Yeah.
I really don't like this candle here. Yeah, we'll see what happens.
Are you leaving it?
Huh?
You're leaving it, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna leave it. Like, I may close it out manually here in a second. Let's check the 15-minute. I don't know. Let's peep something. Yeah. I don't know about this.
Yeah, YM running that all-time high and like the SMT that was created between here and the S&P 500 kind of fucked it. Wow.
Yeah, it was still a great week. Great week, regardless. Like,
Yeah, we crushed it this week.
giveaway ends in 10 seconds. Discord. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Who wins? Huh. There we go.
Big. GG's, Vigor.
Copy.
Yeah, I
What's up,
think you
Vic?
actually deserve that. I can't
Yeah, that
lie.
was the first time win by Vig.
That's crazy.
That was in the Discord one, yeah. On the YouTube one, we got a minute left. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to the channel. Like and subscribe to Matt's channel.
When you're done the YouTube one, I'll be done.
Yeah. I'm probably gonna be done too. Weekly call here. Yeah, I'm closing this trade out. I don't give a shit about it anymore. This is just not moving. Broccoli. I'm out. Don't give a shit. I lost like a third of the risk that I put on yesterday on that one trade. You see what I mean? Like, you gotta know when to risk on, when to risk off, right? I didn't like how we came down to a level and then it took so long for us to get all the way back up here. Like, I mean, this is literally like 40 minutes. Like, it's not really it. Okay, alright. Pick the winner. Kane. Trader Kane won. What are you doing in here, bro?
There's no way that Kane won the giveaway.
Nah, it's spelled Kaine.
Take it easy, Christopher.
Be safe, Chris. Have a good weekend, bro.
Yeah, if you just DM me on Discord, Instagram, or Twitter. And then the people who won the funded next ones, those will be sent out later today. Yeah, good thing I ended this fucking setup.
Matt, there's no way that gift's got you.
Huh? What?
What are you laughing at? Is it that gift?
Oh, no.
I was gonna
This is my
say.
TikTok.
Yeah. Alright. I have mentorship calls here in 6 minutes, weekly calls, so I gotta get out of here. Yeah, we'll figure it out, schedule for next week, and then the winners, if you guys could just DM me.
I'll tell you right now. Tuesday, I'm gonna be live on YouTube Tuesday and Thursday,
Okay, you'll be live Tuesday, Thursday.
and then you got CPI on Wednesday, and then whatever NFP is on Friday.
CPI is Friday next week, bro.
Oh, then whatever Wednesday is Wednesday's NFP.
Okay, so you're doing Tuesday, Thursday?
Yeah, Tuesday, Thursday, I'm live on YouTube.
Alright, I'll be live Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Matt's gonna be live Tuesday, Thursday. Oh yeah, so you got Red Folder News on Tuesday and then Thursday.
Yeah, I think there's red folder every day.
Every day except Monday. So
besides Monday, yeah.
Yeah, CPI moved, bro. What the flip?
Yeah, they put it to Friday. I don't know why they would put CPI on Friday. It's weird as shit.
Yeah, we'll start those streams on NFP at 8:15, and then Friday at 8:15 for the one shot, one kill, and then we'll just run the whole time. So, yeah. Do it for me.
Yeah,
All right,
take it
cool.
easy. Everyone have a good weekend. Log
Yeah,
out your
be
trading
safe, guys. Have a good weekend, gang.
Yeah, I'll take it easy. I may have here too. Yeah, they do let you trade unfunded. I really gotta get to a mentorship weekly call. Yeah, I'll be back here Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Wednesday stream for NFP starts at 8:15. Friday stream starts at 8:15. Apex is running 8% off right now too. Yeah, and then Tradeify growth accounts are pretty cheap right now too. I think like freaking $97 all in. And then the fun and next rapid plans. So, but yeah, I'll see y'all on Monday. Y'all take it easy. Have fun.